Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a closer to my dream. Moving over me, I'm getting high. Closer to my dream. I'm getting higher, higher, feeling in my sleep. Sometimes it feels like I'll never go past you. Sometimes it feels like forever, ever. La 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 la. He asked what could he do for me. I told him that my love is free. But can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody. Born to live in luxury. La 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 la. La 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 la. Luxe. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but if you pay me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet. Setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king if I trust. But you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody. Born to live in luxury. Luxury. I work too hard on my.
Sometimes you love too hard, sometimes you go too far. I won't want you if you need me. Real things don't not come easy, no. Never been your average girl, so take time with me, take time. Maybe talk to me with some action. We could find a place in lesson. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool now, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, 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 cool down.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away, simply run away. Can try to run and hide, it won't make a difference. Can't lie to yourself, it hurts when it comes to repetition. But you're in love. Hey, yes sir, that's her. But it wasn't like that back when I met her. The lavish life from all the ghost mud. Before the double R, I had to hitchhike some. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got cuffed. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying let's on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion. Make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funk it, I just hum and let the watch give off the neons. When it rains, it pours. I laugh to myself when I changed the score. You said my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more. Something about how your ex was a toy. I guess
There's another you
y'all are enjoying the video so far. I just decided to talk the rest of the video because I actually haven't talked in this vlog. I didn't decide it to be this way, but okay. But yeah, I'm a mom, so this is just before my kids did really interrupt me. I did not talk this video, and I really didn't plan not to talk. It just ended up that way, and it was just flowing. And yeah, so in this video, everything I was going to say everything is DIY, but it's not. Most of it is obviously my DIY lash clusters, and I always do my own hair. So one thing about the lash clusters, usually I do a decurl. I tried the spike. It's really not my style, but I'm gonna keep it until I feel like taking them off. For me, they usually last about 2.5 weeks, because that's about the time that I get tired of them and I want to change them up or just let my eyelashes breathe. So those were spike lashes in 10 mm's and 12. I really don't do any long lashes. So now I am just doing a cute ponytail. I just needed to do my hair. I had a silk press, which I did myself as well. And it was just time, because honestly my head started to itch and the dandruff was coming up. But I was like, you know what, it's still straight. Let me just try to do something with it while it's straight before I actually decide to do my hair. So I decided on this. I had some hair left over. Well, not really left over, but just some bundles that I pulled out of the cats that needed to be used again. I bought the bundles once, so do I recommend these bundles? Actually, I'll have the bundles linked. They are from Amazon. They okay for what I needed it for. I wouldn't say they are like some forever year long bundles, because they are a little thin, but they did do what it needed to do. Yeah, so one thing about me, when I do any type of ponytail, I have to have edges, baby hair, whatever you want to call them. That is something I love. It's like a signature for me. So I don't play when it comes to that. I do my curl forward. I know that some people flip them up, but I prefer to curl them forward, and then it just helps me do my swoop a little better. So yeah, that's what I'm showing you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. It actually was something else I wanted to say and I don't remember, but please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. All of the songs are non-copyright, so feel free to screen record, because that's what we do. And I just look forward to posting more videos, just more content. I hope you guys have had a great year. 2024 is coming to an end, and God got some special things for us. We got to just continue to trust, have faith, and believe. And He's going to come through every single time. But like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. And just show love, and I will show love back. Thank you, guys. My kids in the background reminded me of that TikTok with the white people always being in black people business. It said, when you are black, you're never really alone. And it's like, when you're a mom, you are never really alone, because it's always somebody in your face, whether you are a mom of one or a mom of multiple. These kids don't know what a break is. They don't know what personal space is, but I love them nonetheless. I just had to say that because that's exactly what it gives all the time.